If you are having Telegram account, you may have given your phone number. If you want to change your phone number to new number, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to change your Telegram account phone number. For that, what you need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, in case of Apple iPhone, down here you can see settings option, click on settings. In settings here you can see your phone number, and above you can see edit button, click on this edit button. If you are using Android phone, in Telegram application above you can see 3 lines, click on these 3 lines. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option settings, click on settings. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here under account section you can see your phone number, just click on that phone number, and when you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here it is showing change number. In case of Apple iPhone, here you can see change number option, and next to that your phone number is given. Anyways, click on that option. When you are clicking on that, here also you can see that page. Here down you can see change number option, click on change number. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. First what we need to do is, you need to select your country. I am selecting my country. After selecting your country, you need to enter your phone number here. After entering your phone number, down here you can see continue option, click on continue. When you are clicking on that, again you can see a pop-up message like this. Down here you can see continue option, click on continue. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Now you will receive one SMS. In that SMS there will be one OTP. You need to enter that OTP here. In my case, now I haven't received any SMS. Instead of that, I have received one call. In that call, they will be telling your OTP. You need to enter that OTP there. So you will either get call or SMS. Anyways, when you are entering that code, here you can see your number will be changed. So this way you can easily change your phone number in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.